I do think it's an astounding organisation, what they offer, the comfort they give, the support they give. Like, honestly, I don't know how we would have got through everything if it wasn't for them. After she passed away, they were there almost immediately, offering advice, comfort, telling us to drop in. My main concern was the kids, and they organised all the counselling sessions there with them.
Looking back, like, it was really good to have it come in so soon after, because I think it was beneficial to get in there.
It was good to have somebody who was understanding and who could help a lot, kind of with, like, deal with all the emotions.
I think it's only after you see other people in your shoes and in your boat that you see how much it has been affecting you, and to feel that you were being understood even at that young age, it really felt good.
Sometimes maybe they wouldn't open up to me as much because they'd see what I'd be going through. I do remember many a session that when I'd come and collect them, that they were visibly shaking with just getting the emotion out. Very beneficial, absolutely. When I used to bring Charlie in, I'd be sitting there for an hour and I wouldn't even take a book out. You just chat to people. You just chat to someone else and you find a connection with people that are going through the same thing. On the 13th of October, ARC's Torch of Hope walks will be taking place. This is an opportunity for family, friends and supporters of ARC to remember their loved ones who have passed, who have been touched by cancer, and also for supporters and for survivors. So please come along, come on your own, come with your family, come with your friends. You can even bring your dog. When you do the walk, it is a community there, and it's a kind of a shared journey that everyone's on.
The minute you start walking, the minute everyone starts walking.
Yeah.
It's almost as if it's a mini family.
So please join us on the 13th of October. We'd love to see you all there. You can find all the details on the ARC website, or you can register with the link below. But please do your best to be there with us.